Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today guys we will update our view on the Great British Pound, because here, as you can see, mostly our task for the week that we have discussed in the weekly research mostly has been completed. We said that market should show the upward bounce in the current week, since it has hit one of the major support. It's 127.86 right at the daily oversold area. Also that was the monthly pivot point of the May. It has been tested, and you can see indeed during the whole week, market shows a bit choppy, but still it was the upward retracement. Right now, it has reached the predefined levels, as you will see on the intraday charts, but here are still some big question stands. The point is that on the euro currency, we expect to see some minor upward continuation, approximately to 13, even 13.10 area, as we have discussed yesterday. And who knows, maybe this will be particularly due the bit flat or maybe a bit weaker than expected non-farm payroll release on Friday. Who knows? If this indeed will happen, in this case, the Great British Pound also will be affected by this factor, and probably it also will show some upward bounce. So why I'm talking this, because on the intraday charts, guys, as we will see a bit later, you'll see that currently it's a bit very choppy action. It's very it's a bit blur, and we do not have there any clear reversal patterns yet. Although we still think that Great British Pound within the coming week will be under pressure, especially as you know, recent poll shows that the Conservative Party gradually but stubbornly losing the majority, and it means that the next week probably the Great British Pound will be under pressure, and even longer if indeed this will happen, if the Labour will take the majority from the Conservative Party as a result of the elections. So that's why we still think that the downward action on the Great British Pound should continue, and next destination point will be a major area to watch for, as we have also talked about. This is confidence support 1240, 1220 area. It's also coincide with this trend line. This trend line will be very important, because breaking down for this trend line, as we said, will open the door for long-term bearish trend continuation. In this case, market will drop below these levels and will continue to our next target. That's why this area will be very important. But still, before that will happen, we will be watching for that level. This level probably will be reached, because on the fundamental moments that I have talked about, and from the technical point of view, here we also have the weekly butterfly. So recall that it's this left wing of the butterfly, this right wing, and this was a 127 extension, and that will be just rate retracement of the weekly pattern. So normal respect to the butterfly is the rate retracement is normal. So that's why we think that we could get some downward continuation within the couple of weeks right to this area. But meantime, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, what do we have? If our suggestion is correct, probably we should get some kind of the ABCD pattern down. Take a look at the target of this ABCD stands precisely at 126.40 area, and this coincides with the daily confidence support. That's really a very good combination. But currently, guys, the major concern is how this downward action will start, either from that point or market will show some upward, some spike here or something of that sort. Because as you can see, so the subjects that we have estimated in the weekly research has been complete. So our market indeed has shown the 618 retracement up from this top to this bottom, almost 129.40, and retested this trend line. We said that's the very probable action, because market stands oversold on the daily chart. And from that standpoint, all setup has been completed. But the major problem here, guys, is that we do not have clear reversal pattern here. No, neither on the hourly chart, neither on the lower time frames. And as we suggest that on the euro currencies probably should be some upward continuation to complete the major weekly target. So maybe today, tomorrow, market could form some kind of maybe minor butterfly here to test again this area or something of that sort. That's why if you're thinking about the going short, we think that's better to wait one of two moments. So if you have bad ideas, of course, you should follow your trading plan. But what we see, so here it's better to wait either forming here a clear reversal pattern, drop your time frame to the 13-minute chart, for example, drop. You'll see that here nothing is forming, some kind of the mostly looking as garbage triple supply instead. Maybe market will form here the butterfly. Maybe something will happen within the couple of sessions here. But you should watch for clear bearish reversal pattern. As soon as this will be formed, you could try to take the short position. That's the first approach. Second approach, guys, take a look at the hourly chart. You will see that we actually have the widening triangles forming. And 127.75 is long-term support area. So you can see market was supporting here, upper direction, and again it is supporting here. Another moment how you could act is to wait the breakout of this area. As soon as market will break it down, it will tell us that the CD leg of our ABCD pattern now stands underway. Of course, it will be not as attractive as taking position somewhere at 29.40, but still, this will be a pretty nice room to the targets, 26.40 and 27.70 approximately. So more than the 100 pips, it will be not bad trade actually. That's 2 moments to watch for, because currently, as you can see, inside of this triangle, guys, that's forming, no really clear patterns we have. I prefer to have some bearish reversal pattern on my back when I'm taking the position. So that's our current view on the British pound. So mostly we confirm our idea that we have discussed in weekly research, that British pound right now stands in the short-term bearish trend and it stands under pressure. But taking the positions demands a bit more just the overall view on the currency. So we need a clear technical setups that will let us to understand where to take position, with it, placing stop, and so on. So let's keep watching and see what we will get.